Open the Hatchimals Colleggtibles. It's Zayla here. Before I forget, give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that bell button. Guys, have you been watching my Roblox videos? I hope you did, because I'm going to be checking in the comments. Or if you write down in the comments, write down in the comments if you did. Guys, why did the cow fart? Because it wanted to poop. Guys, do you like my hair? It took a long time to get it back. And before this video, I was playing hide and seek Tiggy with my sister. So that's why it's kind of messy. You want to know what we're doing today? I bet you all do. That's for the H. It's Hatchimals Collectibles Scratch and Snip. Guys, have you had this before? I'm super excited. Open the Hatchimals Scratch and Snip. That's it inside. And guys, if you're wondering what this is a collector's guide.
Ooh.
Guys, you want me to show you the ones I want? So guys, these are the ones I want. I want that one, and that one, and that one. And I also want that one, and that one, and that one, and that one.
You just want all of them.
And I want that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. Except those three, and that one. Those are all my favorites. Well guys, we're gonna probably get all of them because wait, is there even 16 in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, so 16 correct. So we're gonna get all of them. Guys, we're gonna punch it open in 3, 2, 1. Punch. Okay, that's actually just easy way. Hey, it's one of the ones I said. Guys, I'm gonna scratch it and then sniff it. That's the hell I already smell it and it smells disgusting. Guys, I don't know what it smells like. So next one, pointing this one. Ooh la la! I got it out. It smells the same as the other one. So let's go to this one. Guys, this one has a different scent. Smells pretty good actually, but I don't know what it is. Get one of these open again. Guys, look, it's pink. It's a rhino, I think. I don't know what the scent is. It's the same scent as last time. Let's boom this baby. Wow, I don't even need any help. Different scent, I think. Yeah, it's a different scent. I don't know what it is still. It smells pretty good. The next one open. Open. Ooh, my gosh. Guys, we got another one. And it smelled. Oh, it's the same one as the last one. This one. It's a flower chicky. Guys, look. She looks so pretty. Especially those flowers. Whoa. Don't know what the scent is. It's a different scent, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, that one's funny. Has a bucket on its head. Has an ice cream cone. Guys, I think this is a new scent. I smelled all of them, and I have no clue. Ooh, it's a green guy. It is a new one, and again, guys, do you like this one? Because I do. It's pretty cute. Guys, I think this one smells like lemon. Boom, boom, boom. Yay, it's the zebra I wanted to get. Ooh, its mohawk looks very cool, and it feels very, very, very relaxing. I think this one is a new one, a new scent. Boom. That is so cute, so cute, so cute. This is a new one and it smells delicious. It smells like chocolate. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Ooh, it's a snail. It's a pink snail. Ew, looks actually real slimy. I don't know what the scent is either. Yeah. 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 Lime, definitely lime. Look at that penguin. It has a cherry on top of it. It's the same as some of them. I don't know any of the scents, but I only know 2 scents. Then let's have one more left. Let's open it. Of course it's this one. Guys, I don't know what this scent is, but it's the same as some of them. Guys, these are all super cute. They're really, really hard to get out of the packet, which was not fun and was hurting our nails. Yeah. And guys, if you like them, try to buy them. 2, 2, 2, 2. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys. See you guys next time. Stay sweet. Bye.